Welcome to the Learn American English channel, where you learn naturally so you can speak naturally.
In this video, we are going to talk about one of the figures of speech, which is the simile. So what is a simile? A simile is a literary or descriptive technique that compares one thing with another. A simile compares one thing to another using the words like or as. Writers and authors use similes to make their writing more descriptive, vivid, interesting, and fun. Understanding what similes are and how to use them will help you understand and speak English better. One of the most common similes people use is as busy as a bee. Using it in a sentence, it goes, "She is as busy as a bee." This does not mean that she is a bee. This sentence compares how busy she is to how busy a bee is. Now let's learn more similes. Here are more examples of similes that use as. As hot as fire. This means very hot. The weather is as hot as fire today. I'm sweating so much. As alike as two peas in a pod. This means identical or very similar. The identical twins look as alike as two peas in a pod. As different as oil from water. This means having nothing in common or very different from each other. Andrew and Chase are as different as oil from water. Andrew likes to study, while Chase just wants to play all day. As big as an elephant. This means very big. That pumpkin is as big as an elephant. As brave as a lion. This means very brave. She was as brave as a lion during the emergency. As clear as crystal. This means very clear. The water in the lake is as clear as crystal. As clean as a whistle. This means very clean and free from dirt. After cleaning, the room is as clean as a whistle. As cool as a cucumber. This describes someone who remains calm and composed. She remained as cool as a cucumber during the heated argument. As gentle as a lamb. This means very gentle. She is as gentle as a lamb with her baby sister. As good as gold. This means very good and obedient, usually said of a person. That child is as good as gold. She's always well behaved. As hard as nails. This means physically and mentally tough. The boss was as hard as nails. He's always criticizing people, no matter how hard they work. As pretty as a picture. This means very pretty. Casey looked as pretty as a picture at the party. As quiet as a mouse. This means very quiet. The little boy at the library was as quiet as a mouse. As white as snow. This means very pale or very white. The linen tablecloth was as white as snow. Now let's move on to the similes that use like. Cries like a baby. This means the person cries a lot. He cries like a baby when he's scared. Sleeps like a log. This means to sleep soundly. After a long day of playing, she sleeps like a log. Swims like a fish. This means the person is a good swimmer. The professional swimmer swims like a fish in the pool. Runs like the wind. This means to run very fast. The little boy runs like the wind. He always wins the races. Eats like a pig. This means eating messily and greedily. The child has no table manners. He eats like a pig. Looks like a fish out of water. This means to look uncomfortable and out of place. He looked like a fish out of water at the party last night. He was dressed all wrong. Soft like velvet. This means very gentle, smooth, and pleasant to touch. The puppy's fur is soft like velvet. Like a box of chocolates. This means full of surprises, and you never know what you're going to get. Life is like a box of chocolates. Cuts like butter. This means very easy to cut or slice through. Using a sharp knife, he sliced the tomato in half, and it cut like butter. Soared like an eagle. This means to fly gracefully. The plane soared like an eagle in the sky. Teeth like razors. This means someone's teeth are exceptionally sharp. The man has teeth like razors. It scared the little kids. Tall like a giraffe. This means very tall. Aaron is tall like a giraffe. Great job! Now you know all about similes. We have other videos that talk about the other figures of speech. We hope you'll check them out too. Let's watch the video again so we can learn similes better. Thank you for watching the Learn American English channel, where you learn naturally so you can speak naturally. Please click the like button and subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this one.